Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a basic paneer tikka recipe. It's a very simple and a yummy one. Come on, let's get started. To a mixing bowl I'm adding 2 tablespoons of curd, 1.5 teaspoons of besan flour, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, half a teaspoon coriander powder, half a teaspoon cumin powder, half a teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon garam masala, and salt as required. Mix all the ingredients well. And now to this I'm going to add 200 grams of paneer which I have chopped into cube size. Add it and mix it well. Let all the masala coat well on the paneer pieces, and the besan that we have added will act as a binding agent. And after mixing it well, let's keep this aside for 15 to 20 minutes and marinate it. And now to a tawa I'm going to add oil as required, and I'm going to shallow fry the paneer pieces. And paneer will not take much long time to cook. It's enough if we cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. And after 40 seconds I'm going to flip it. So ensure all the sides are well cooked. So look at the pieces, it's well coated and all the masalas are well binded. It's because of the besan flour that we have added. And now it's been just 3 or 4 minutes. Our paneer looks yummy and cooked, and that's it. Our yummy delicious paneer tikka is now ready. You can also arrange these paneer pieces on a skewer along with capsicum and onion pieces and grill it. Yummy paneer tikka is now ready and it's time to serve. Our delicious paneer tikka is now ready. It's time to taste. It's still very soft inside, and the masala that we have coated outside gives a wonderful spiciness and an extra punch. We can serve this with rotis, or you can also serve this as a base for paneer tikka masala. It's so yummy. Definitely give this a try and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe or another interesting concept. Until then, take care. Bye.